Good morning everyone. I, Shanti Chetri, would like to begin our performance by extending my warm wishes to you all. On the behalf of the Holy Cross Secondary School team, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. The primary aim of today's program is to incorporate yoga into school curriculum. Under a certified yoga instructor under the Ministry of Ayush, Sri P.K. Datta's expert guidance, 6 standing yoga asanas will be demonstrated today. These poses are a regular part of our school's assembly routine even with a limited space. The objective is to inspire other schools to incorporate these beneficial practices. Our first asana is Tadasana, which is known as mountain pose. To do this asana, bring both arms to the front. Interlock your fingers, stretch it outward. Inhale, slowly raise yourself on your toe, palms above your head, and stay. Inhale, bring your arms to the front. Heels down. Exhale, arms by the side of your body and relax. Our second asana is Trikona Asana, which is known as triangle pose. To do this asana, spread your legs apart. Raise both the arms sideways up to the shoulder level. Exhale, slowly bend on your side. Align both the shoulders on the same line. Fix the gaze on the raised palm. Inhale, gently come back. Exhale, arms by the side of your body and relax. Our third asana is Tiryaka Tadasana, known as palm tree pose. To do this asana, raise both arms to the front. Join the tip of your fingers. Inhale, raise your arms above your head. Exhale, slowly bend on your side and stay. Inhale, slowly come back. Exhale, arms by the side of your body and relax. Our fourth asana is Kati Chakrasana, which is known as spinal twist pose. To do this asana, inhale, raise both the arms to the front, palm facing toward each other. Exhale, gently twist yourself on your side and stay. Inhale, slowly come back to the center. Exhale, arms by the side of your body and relax. Our fifth asana is Virabhadrasana, known as warrior pose. To do this asana, spread your legs apart. Slowly twist yourself on your side. Bend your knee 90 degrees. Inhale, raise both the arms above your head. Join the palms. Slowly tilt your head backward. Fix the gaze on the joined palms. Inhale, arms by the side of your body. Exhale, slowly come back to the center and relax. Our last asana is Utkata Asana, known as chair pose. To do this asana, raise both arms from the front up to the shoulder level. Inhale, raise yourself on your toe. Exhale, bend your knee, spine straight and stay. Inhale, slowly come back. Heels down. Exhale, arms by the side of your body and relax. With these asanas, we now conclude by saying that children are natural imitators. Gift them with the practice worthy of imitation. the best way to understand yoga is to try it out yourself. Thank you, Kublai Baro, and Jai Hind.